Woo, everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals in the house, guys. I got my cup of joe. I got my mug. It's full of happiness. I'm full of joe, guys. Check out the merch, guys. Remember, this video is not financial advice, just the OG expressing an opinion, and this video is for educational purposes only, guys. I'm going to try the coffee. Coffee always tastes good in the mug, guys. So get the mug. What are you waiting for, guys? Check out the merch, guys. You're going to love the merch. Get the merch. It's a great time to be live. So, guys and gals, so, is the crypto pullback over? Is Bitcoin pullback over? Is the Dogecoin pullback over? Well, let me be honest with you. I don't think so. We're going to talk about some technical analysis where I see Bitcoin going. And we saw this happen back in September as well. Where we saw, Bitcoin go down almost like 18%, and then after it went down 8%, it had a huge upside. So we're going to talk about that. We're going to look at the technicals. We're going to see some of the patterns that happened before. Also, it looks like CoinMarketCap had a bit of a problem. Looks like all of the users' emails were basically exploited and downloaded. So guys, keep an eye on that. Hopefully you're not using any of that for two-factor authentication for any exchanges. So just to be cautious of that. So we're going to jump into that. We're going to look at the coins in the house, look at the market cap. And right now, the weekend is pretty quiet here in Vietnam and everywhere in Europe and the Middle East and Africa and India and on Pluto and Mars too. So there's not a lot of news out there. So we're going to jump into it. And guys and gals, remember, don't be panicking. It's very normal for Bitcoin to have a pullback. We're going to talk about how deep of a pullback that we can see with Bitcoin, how deep and how far down that can go. We're going to talk about Dogecoin as well. And it looks like there's been some rumors spreading about Shiba Inu that they're going to discontinue the burn for the token. So let's see if that let's see if that comes out to volition. I'm just hearing and reading stuff on Reddit, but I haven't seen any confirmation. So, I'm not trying to spread FUD or anything. I'm just saying that's what I've heard. So, guys, keep an eye on that. And it looks like also, the Robinhood wallets, they could be coming soon. It seems like there's about 1 million people who are in line for having the Robinhood crypto wallets go live. So you guys know that you have to ask to do that, and there's like a lineup right for that. So it's like 1 million people in a waiting line to get the crypto wallets happening. So the Robinhood really needs to make that happen, because if they don't make it happen, what's going to happen is a lot of people are going to lose confidence and they're going to go to other platforms. And remember, people are getting smarter and smarter, and a lot of the exchanges like Coinbase, Binance US, Binance International, FTX, Hobay, all these exchanges are not that difficult, guys. Also, CRUPTO.com, all these exchanges are not difficult to sign up. So, a lot of people could be like liquidating their Dogecoin or other coins that they have on Robinhood and taking the cash and then quickly transferring that to other exchanges. So, that only takes like 24 hours to do it. And now's a good time to do it. Why the dips are on. So, yeah, remember, this is not financial advice, just me offering my opinion in the house, guys. So let's jump into it, guys, without any further delay. And guys and gals, please go back and watch my other videos. We got this Dogecoin to $1 wham. We got Elon Musk's insane tweet. We saw that Elon Musk did have a tweet about 8 hours ago, and we did see Dogecoin price briefly spike, but then it settled back down again. So, Elon's not having the impact that he normally has, and also too, when things are going down and Elon tweets, the net impact on the Dogecoin prices is more limited than when things are rising and, people are positive, euphoria, the FOMO's happening, and then you tweet, then you're going to get, more of an impact. So, Elon's timing recently has not been so good for the Doge. So we're going to talk about that. So let's dive into it, guys. Let's dive into it. So the first story that's coming out, and this surprised me. This literally surprised me. This happened like 2 hours ago. This came out. CoinMarketCap hack reportedly leaks 3.1 million users' emails, guys. So I'm also using CoinMarketCap as well. The portfolio tracking portion of that. So it's not good. I'm not happy about that. Luckily, any of the emails that I use, for this kind of stuff, I don't use the emails I use on my exchanges. So this is really good advice, guys. If you're using like public stuff like CoinMarketCap or Facebook, anything like that, you don't want to use the same email for your exchanges. All right, because if one of these things leaks, then you're exposing yourself to potential intrusions and stuff like that. So be very careful. I always use a very separate email for my for the exchanges, and I don't use that email for anything other than that, and I keep it very secretive, keep it very secure, and that avoids any kind of things like that. This happened. 3.1 million users email addresses are gone, guys. So people can use different kind of hardware and software to try to use your email and try to find out what your passwords are, guys. So you guys have to be careful with this. Time for Joe, guys. Remember, smash the likes, guys. Don't forget to smash the likes. And subscribe, BYB. Show some love to OG. Smash the likes, guys, and keep the comments respectful. Don't be giving salty comments. I mean, I love the comments, guys. You guys can be constructive about the comments, how we can improve stuff, and how we can do things better. Because remember, this channel is about you. Without you, my community, this channel would be possible. I really want to hear your constructive criticism, but don't be vitriolic, and don't be childish in the comments, guys. Keep it respectful, keep it mature, and remember, let's just be peaceful, guys. Remember, life is too short to be negative and all that kind of stuff, guys. So 3.1 million email addresses linked to Coin Market Cap, and that's a lot of people are using Coin Market Cap. I'm sure most of you out there watching have either using CoinGecko, Coin Market Cap, Live Coin Watch, or something like that. So this is not really good. We're reportedly being traded on hacking forums and other stuff side. So it looks like this stuff has gone kind of on the not so good part of the website and all that, guys. So this is not good. And this information came into light after the emails were nefariously addresses were found to be traded and sold online on the various forums, guys. So I don't know why people would want to buy email addresses. Well, you know why, because they have tools that can maybe, do other nefarious things. So this is really not good. And, CoinMarketCap, I haven't received an email from CoinMarketCap telling us this has happened. So this is the first I've heard about it. So they've been keeping that on the low, and they shouldn't do that. I mean, if there's a breach in security or anything, they should be immediately informing us. And this thing happened October 12th, and now we're just hearing about it, guys. This is not good, because at least if we know about it when it happens, we can take preventative measures, right? Like changing your email passwords and all that kind of stuff. So this is not good. I'm not happy about that. I'm going to write an email to these people and say, guys, you should have told us about this. And of course, they're saying that while confirming the correlation of 3.1 million email user addresses with its user base on October 30th, the company has assured that the people that took this information did not gain access to the account passwords. That's what they're saying. I don't believe it. You know what I mean? Why do they take so long? Almost 11 days to get to us and tell us this happened. It's not good. So if people from CoinMarketCap are watching, it's not good, guys. Shame on you. You guys should have notified all of us ASAP, not waiting for us to hear through a third party, guys. So some other good news come out. Texas Ethics Commission is seeking pro-crypto rule for political contributions. So this is really bullish news. And what they want to do is they want to allow crypto donations to different politicians and this kind of stuff. So I think this is pretty good. Texas is pretty crypto friendly. We got Ted Cruz out there in Texas, and he loves the crypto, and we love you, Ted. So this new rule permits candidates and office holders and political committees to accept cryptocurrency. It does not distinguish between any types of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Basically, you can send anything you want. If approved, cryptocurrency donations and contributions will need to be reported in kind contributions or as investments, not currency, according to the commission. And this move mirrors the way the Federal Election Commission, FEC, Internal Revenue Service, IRS, and Securities Commission treat cryptocurrency contributions. So this is pretty good that they're going to start treating cryptocurrency contributions the same as legal tender. So this is pretty good, guys. Keep watching. We're going to talk about crypto price, Bitcoin price, how far is it going to go down, guys? And is this pullback over? I'm going to tell you that I don't think it's over. I think we're going to have some more pain in the gas tank before things start getting better with the crypto price, guys. So keep a hold on. So this is bullish news. Some other news that's coming out right now, Dogecoin price jumps after Elon Musk tweet. But it didn't stay very long. The Dogecoin price rose a little bit. It only rose like 1% and then it dropped back down, guys. So like I said, this tweet was ill-timed, because if it was timed when the markets were bullish, this would have definitely sent Doge higher and higher, but it didn't, guys. So some other news that's coming out right now, we're seeing that we had 1.67 billion in Bitcoin move between anonymous wallets, and Bitcoin drops to 60,000. So they're trying to allude that, perhaps, the moving of 1.6 billion was also one of the catalysts that helped to slow stuff down. But Bitcoin active addresses and circulation is not slowing down. So the number of active addresses is increasing and not slowing down. So this is very bullish, right? And China bans Bitcoin ETF data search. So, so if you're looking for Bitcoin ETF in China, you got banned. So we got almost 1.67 billion of Bitcoin moved across anonymous wallets. So this is the totality of that. And Bitcoin active addresses and circulation not slowing down. So according to data shown by Sentiment, despite the correction down to 61,000 and then to 60, the two main metrics for Bitcoin active address and circulation remain strong, and that hasn't changed. So this is pretty bullish, but we're seeing that we're going to see Bitcoin probably continue down. We're going to talk about that. Keep watching if you like this content. Smash the likes, guys. And then another piece of news is Robinhood CEO confirms crypto wallet waitlist hits 1 million as Shiba Army presses for listing. So it looks like there's 1 million people waiting to get their crypto wallets. So who knows exactly when this is going to be rolled out. So hopefully it'll be rolled out sooner than later. So 1 million people are waiting. So hopefully this will happen soon, guys. I hope it does for everyone. And El Salvador's president looking to buy more Bitcoin. It looks like he's going to be buying more dip, guys. Buying more Bitcoin in the dippity dip. So he seems to be a pretty smart guy, a Bitcoin maxi, guys. So like I said, this is a good time to be buying a dip. So consider buying a dip. Fear and greed is still unchanged, guys. Still the same old. Right now, the total market cap is right now at 2.531 trillion, guys. So we're seeing some green right now, so that's pretty good. But overall, we're seeing that on the daily, it's down. It's been negative yesterday. So we had about let me just check 1-2 days of the market cap going down. So hopefully we'll get some reversal happening, and things will start to move up. So right now we can see that Bitcoin on the weekly we're painting a red candle, and we've got 1 day and 15 hours left on this week. So I'm pretty sure that we're going to be painting overall a red candle on Bitcoin. So it's okay, guys. We had 1, 2, 3 weeks in a row of green. It's pretty normal to have at least 1 week of red, and some consolidation is actually healthy, because we need to see some consolidation before we go to the upside. So talking about consolidation, you can see here, if we go all the way back, let me just adjust the chart for you. If we go all the way back here, you can see that from the 18th of September all the way down to the 22nd of September, you saw Bitcoin, it dropped around about 18%. And that was when we were on about 48,000. We dropped to a low of about 40. And then from there, we took off to our all-time high, and we increased by about 63%. So what we're seeing right now, we're seeing something very similar. If we just zoom that up, let me just increase that for you. So we're seeing something right now. If you look at this is a 4-hour chart. If you look at the pattern now, we're seeing something very similar to the same kind of pattern that we saw way back here. So it's almost identical, guys, this pattern. And, but the good thing is, Bitcoin often consolidates a little bit, and then we had this 63% increase. So if we do in fact have a 63% increase again from where we are now, that will take Bitcoin up to 88,000. So, how long did it take for us to go from where we were in September? Let's just take a look. So it took us from September 20th to October 20th. So it took us about 30 days. So it looks like if we do go back up 63% in 30 days, so that will take us around the 23rd-ish of November. And that's exactly planned. That's exactly where Plan B is talking about. He's talking about, $93,000 area. So this looks like we're going to consolidate. And I think that if we look at Bitcoin right now, I think we could go as low as 54,500. So I think, that will be the lowest correction level. I mean, I think that the average is about 57, but I think we could go as low as 54,500. And then from there, we'll probably go back up to around 63 and close out the month. So that's what I think is going to happen. And then in November, we'll probably see Bitcoin, go up about 63% from where we are now, at 54,500 and some change. So guys, the pullback is not over. We're going to continue to have some pullbacks. And I think worst case scenario for Bitcoin in terms of pullback, we could see ourselves, as I said, pulling back to, what I call the max pain levels around about 54,500. Ish. I think we'll settle around 57. I think we could go down as low as 57 and then get a bounce of about 63, and that'll probably close out the month. So I think that it's going to be turbulent for a little while. We're probably going to see more downside for Bitcoin. So guys, don't panic and don't beat me up if we get it wrong. Remember, this is 60-40. I mean, we could just turn around and go up, right? But I'm looking at, if I look at where the pattern repeated in September, we're having this very similar pattern, very similar. The density of the pattern is very similar, and the overall downtrend is similar. So I'm thinking that we're going to have a 18% drop from the all-time high, and that should take us down here because we had an 18% drop here. So for the pattern, if history repeats itself and we have 18%, well, that takes us, as I said, down to 54,500. So that's where we could be headed. So set some. I mean, this is not financial advice. You may want to consider this. What I'm doing, I'm setting some buy orders at 54,000, 54,500, 55,000, 60,000. So I'm putting some buy orders for Bitcoin, and if they hit on the way down, I'm going to be happy about that. Time to get some joy. If you love this channel like I love you, smash the likes. Check out the merch, guys. Get the mug. The coffee tastes better in the mug, guys. So yeah, that's where I see things going. So let's take a look at Ethereum in the house. Before we do that, let's take a look at Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is just kind of doing its thing. It's kind of going sideways, and right now Doge is at 24.58. So it's not too bad, guys. I wouldn't worry about it too much. We got this overhead resistance 25. So at least Dogecoin is kind of holding its own. It's not going down as fast as Bitcoin is right now in Ethereum. So it's looking pretty good from that perspective. It's holding its own. If you take a look at Shiba Inu right now, Shiba Inu since around about the 12th of October to now, it's pretty close to like almost 2 weeks. It's just been going sideways, and right now it's at 27.98. And we have some support around here at 24.92, and we've got overhead resistance at 33. So we're just going to go sideways. And I did say that in previous videos, we're probably going to go sideways for most of the month, and that's what's happening. It's happening right in front of our eyes, guys. So don't beat me up. Remember, full disclosure, I don't own any Shiba Inu, but I like to cover it because a lot of my members have it and they like the coin. All right, guys. So we're seeing that right now that Ethereum has dropped just below 4,000. It's almost at 4,000. So if it doesn't giddy up past 4,000, then we're probably going to drop down to $3,600 area. So we could see Ethereum dropping to 3,600. And if Bitcoin does in fact go down to this level, we're gonna see probably anywhere an 18% drop in the Ethereum price. So if we take from where we are now and we measure that all the way down 18%. Let me just get that tool for. So if we look at, is that the date range? Sorry guys, the price range. Sorry, my bad. So if we take from where we are now and we drop down 18%. That could take us all the way down to around about this level here. So that gives us confluence at 3,288. So that is a support level that we had previously. So if we drop 18%, 18%, which is pretty similar to where Bitcoin is, we have some confluence there, and that would take us down to approximately 3,288. So between $3,288 and $3,300. So expect that incoming. I think it's a 60% chance that this pullback is not over. We're going to continue going down to those levels, guys. So don't panic. But we will bounce back up. And remember, this bull run is not over, guys. And we will punch past this all-time highs, which we broke here, but we got rejected and just chunk. And this is some really serious overhead resistance that we have to get by. ADA is just going sideways right now. And, we have some support around $2.15. It's acting as pretty strong support because we've stayed above that, yesterday and today. And we got our overhead resistance at $2.32. So Solana in the house has fallen below $200, which is pretty sad. It's at $199.87. So hopefully we'll get back up there when America wakes up. You can take it higher. I mean, people may be taking profits on Solana in America when they wake up because they can see that, it was over 200. It's dropped down. They may be getting a little bit scared and say, okay, better just to get out of there and take the profits. I mean, I'm still holding my Solana strong, so you guys should think about doing that. I appreciate it. So right now, we look at the total cryptocurrency market cap, and it's at 2.57. The volumes are dropping because it's a weekend. here in Asia, people have other things to do than just do crypto. They're probably out with their families, you know, and all that kind of stuff. Bitcoin dominance is still dropping, so that's pretty good. So hopefully as that Bitcoin dominance drops even more, that means we'll push more liquidity back into the altcoins. So Bitcoin is down like 4.24%, at 60,658. We're also down for the week now. Ethereum right now is below 4,000, and it's at down 3.23%. We're still up for the week, but that's probably going to turn red when America wakes up, guys. And BNB is at $478. That's down 3% as well. We're down for the week. ADA is down 1.7%, down 3% for the week, and we're at $2.16. Now, Solana is down as well, 2.57%. And but we're still up 23.51% for the week. So if you're still holding, you're still doing pretty good over the last 7 days. But in the last 24 hours, you're down. DOT is also down 2.51%. That's at $44 and some change. Doge is down 1%. So Doge is actually holding its own, guys. You see, Bitcoin is down 4%. Ethereum is down 3%. But Dogecoin is still holding strong. It's only down 1%, and it's still up 2.11% over the week. So that's doing better than BNB. It's doing better than ADA, it's doing better than XRP, and it's doing better than Bitcoin. So, Doge is still looking pretty strong. Luna's up as well for the week. It's down 5% today, so that's not looking too good. SHIB is down 0.5%, but it's still up 7.83%. So that's good in comparison to where Bitcoin is and Ethereum. And so we're seeing a mixed bag. Avalanche is up 1%, so that's pretty good if you're Avalanche holder. So it's looking pretty good. Despite that Bitcoin is down, Avalanche is starting to go up. So that's a good sign. If Bitcoin flips green, Avalanche could even move much faster, much higher. Chainlink is down. Chainlink is up as well, and we had that AP news that they're going to use Chainlink nodes to secure their data. So that's one of the catalysts that's driving that. Algorand is down. Matic is down. VET is down. Atom is up. ICP is up. So, it's a mixed bag, but overall, we're seeing that most of the markets are down right now. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to follow me on Twitter. We got 2,706 people on Twitter. If you're not getting the notifications, all that on time, guys, follow me on Twitter. We got tips and tricks. And guys, if you buy any of the merch, get the OG mug, buy the merch, take a picture, click, send it to my Twitter. You holding the merch or wearing the merch, if it's a t-shirt, and I'll feature on the next video, guys. You're gonna love it. And I gotta try the Joe. Full of joy, full of love, and I can confirm that the coffee absolutely tastes better, guys. Yeah, I love coffee. I love my coffee. I gotta have at least 3 or 4 cups a day, guys. A lot of people say it's good, not good for you, but I can't live without my coffee. So with that being said, guys, you made it to the end. Go down there right now, smash the like, show some love for the OG in the house. You're gonna love it, and don't forget to smash a comment. Keep the comments respectful. No need to be vitriolic and have salty comments, and just keep it positive. And remember, this channel is for you. I'm working for you. I'm trying to provide the best information I can, and I'd love to hear how I can improve things. All right, guys, I appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe, baby. And one last thing, don't forget to, you can check out all the links in the description of every single video. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. You need to know that. Do your own risk management. Guys, become Patreon members. Support the channel with a coffee. And don't forget the link to my merch is here. Also, you can check out my NFT collection if you want. And also, guys, these are some platforms that I like. And I think there's some cashbacks there. I'm not sure. You'd have to check out. And with that being said, guys, don't forget to check out my merch. We got hats, we got hoodies, we got bags. We got all sorts of stuff. And don't forget to check out the Mug de Mug. I love the Mug de Mug. Get the Mug de Mug. It's a great product. You'll love it. And it just looks good, guys. And get the Mug de Mug. You're going to love it. Remember, all the proceeds from the merch, the coffees, the Patreons, all that stuff all goes to charity, guys. So supporters. And one final thing, don't forget to check out the wife's channel, Zen Music, in the house. Happy wife, happy life. And guys, God bless each of you. Thank you for being here. I love it. You love it. Woo, let's get it, guys. I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Spread the positive vibe, guys. It's a weekend, so it's a lazy weekend. It's a relaxing weekend. Don't forget to smash the likes. This is the last chance to smash the likes before you leave. Yeah, smash the likes. I love it, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys. God bless you. Woo!